Sally is a neurologist investigating which experiment she would like to design next. This requires understanding the evolution of neuroscience literature around topics that Sally is expert in, while also finding unusual relations between these and other topics. For example, to understand recent developments around the brain disease depressive disorder, she wants to identify which brain regions are related and how these relations have evolved over time. The brain regions visualization shows the 3D positions of brain regions in the Scalable Brain Atlas as light blue spheres. Sally wants to understand which brain regions are mentioned in the same publications as depressive disorder, so she selects the Core Occurrences widget. The brain regions visualization shows all the direct relations between depressive disorder as pink spheres. We define a direct relation when the disease and region both occur in the same sentence of a neuroscience publication. The brain regions still shown as light blue spheres have no direct relation with depressive disorder. While there may be no direct relation between depressive disorder and the blue regions, each may have a direct relation with the same third topic, such as a gene. Sally wants to find indirect relations between depressive disorder and brain regions via the intermediate topic of genes to explore more options for designing her next experiment. She selects the indirect relations functionality and chooses genes as the intermediate topic. One of the light blue spheres becomes green, indicating that the brain region middle frontal gyrus is indirectly connected to depressive disorder via one or more genes. Sally wants to better understand how previous indirect relations have evolved into direct relations. She selects the publication date selector, which shows the publication dates between January 2010 and February 2022. Sally drags the upper handle of the publication date selector up to June 2017 and sees that the three spheres representing the cerebellar vermis structure in the brain regions visualization are light blue. This indicates that there are no indirect or direct relations between depressive disorder and cerebellar vermis structure. Sally moves the upper handle from June to August 2017 and sees that these three light blue spheres change to green, indicating an indirect relation between depressive disorder and cerebellar vermis structure via the same gene. Sally continues using the upper handle to move the slider slowly from August 2017 until it reaches November 2019, when she sees that the three green spheres change to pink, indicating a direct relation between depressive disorder and cerebellar vermis structure. Sally now wants to find indirect relations that have not yet become direct relations to help her design her next experiment. Sally continues using the upper handle to move the slider up from November 2019 to February 2022 and sees that one sphere remains green. She finds that an indirect relation between depressive disorder and the brain region middle frontal gyrus has not yet become a direct relation. Sally finds this information useful for thinking about the design of her next experiment.